Well, hello guys, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I'm super excited to see you today. Today we're going to make something really wonderful. It's called burning oil. Now, if you've never heard of burning oil before, it's something that you can use inside of your wax warmer. It can last pretty much all day. It is highly fragranced. If you want the entire recipe, guys, it will be linked in my description box. It is in my Patreon. Listen, in my Patreon, I keep all of my candle making recipes, my skincare recipes. I have hundreds of recipes in that archive, okay? Love the videos, y'all. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Keep me up in the algorithm because I'm like really one of the last of the Mohegans. There's not many people on here that really get into dessert candles, the skincare people, but when it comes down to the candles, that's really where I got my following. So guys, listen, if you don't have nothing to say, just comment a heart in the comment section. Like, this is how we keep ourselves up in the algorithm. Anyway, guys, without further ado, let's talk about what we're going to be making today. All right, so back in the day, y'all, I used to always go and buy this stuff called burning oil. I would go downtown and they would have these little shops, these little Indian shops. They would sell like, you know, like the roll-ons. They would sell like shea butter, cocoa butter. Like if you live in like Atlanta, if you go downtown, they have those. Philly, I mean, they pretty much everywhere. Now, burning oil is something that you put on the warmer and it lights your whole entire house. Let me tell you something. It lights your whole entire home up. You can smell it all over the home. It is highly fragranced, okay? Sometimes it comes in colors. Sometimes it just comes gold. It really don't matter. What really matters is what's inside of that oil, okay? A lot of people tend to buy burning oil because they do not like the messy wax, and I can agree with that. Sometimes you just want to go ahead and just empty that thing out, pour some more in there and keep it moving. You don't want to have to clean it out because most of the time, listen, people put glitter inside their wax melts. They even put embeds on their wax melts, so it can get pretty messy, okay? So this is a clean way to make wax melts, but it's not wax melts, y'all. This is liquid, okay? This is going to be pure liquid. You're going to start out with a nice, beautiful, golden liquid base. Now that we talk about what burning oil is, let's talk about the do's and don'ts of burning oil before we go and make it. First things first, guys, make sure you package it in a PET bottle, okay? You can use a squeeze bottle, flip top, whatever you want to use, but make sure it's PET because a regular plastic bottle will break down over time because of the fragrance. I don't know if you guys ever pour fragrance into just a regular plastic cup, but it will just kind of like break that cup down, okay? So you don't want that to happen to your bottles over time, so make sure you look for PET plastic. Another thing I want to tell you guys, you can color it, but do remember, when you coloring things, go light and easy on the color. Use like maybe, I would say 1 drop per 8 ounces, okay? Or you could take a cotton ball and put a drop on that and just kind of put it into it or whatever, so it don't get the full amount, because you don't want to allow that dye to mess up people's wax warmers. Another thing you want to let people know is the more wattage that you have on that wax warmer, you'll definitely get a better hot throw. About a year ago, I got a wax warmer from Walmart, and then I got a wax warmer from Aztec, I believe, because Aztec, when you go into their actual store, they have wax warmers being sold and clearanced out and stuff like that. So I had one from them. The one from Walmart, I barely used to smell my wax melts, but when I put the one in the wall from Aztec, it really, when I tell you that hot throw was so strong, baby, you smelled it. So just make sure you tell your customer, get a good quality wax warmer. You know the best ones to use, with the ones with the tea light, the open flame, the ones they sell at Dollar Tree. I know they're not safe, but baby, when I tell you, I take them to my vendor events and they be kicking like Bruce Lee, kicking like Bruce Lee. That was when I used to sell wax melts. The next thing I want to tell you guys, the stronger the fragrance, the better the hot throw. Your typical cotton candies, vanillas, peppermints, and you know, things like that, those light fragrances, they tend to be a little subtle. You really won't smell them, okay? Usually those light fragrances don't kick like that. So you want to make sure you get some stuff that got some to it. Like today, we're going to be using my Gucci Guilty that's on my website, and this is very, very, very strong. So we're going to be using this Gucci Guilty. I like the Gucci Guilty in my body sprays and body products and stuff like that. But listen, I'm going to put this all throughout the house, okay? So this is going to be something really different. So listen, y'all, I have the base, the percentages, everything inside of the Patreon. I'm going to give you guys a little bit more information in this video, but go ahead, click the link in the description box. The recipe is in there. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so we have two things here. We have our base and we have our scent, and also we're going to be using some vitamin E. So when it comes down to our base, okay, it's an affordable, nearly odorless base that helps disperse the fragrance evenly and performs well, very well in wax warmers. Now, the thing about the fragrance is, like I told you guys before, make sure that you use a strong one. So you want to take that fragrance oil and you definitely want to use it at the high percentage that I recommended, and you want to mix that into the base. Now the vitamin E, you really don't need it, but I recommend it because it helps slow down oxidation and it keeps your burning oil fresher even longer. So go ahead and add that. And if you are using any color, you can use your candle dye right now. Now go ahead and package this up and you have yourself a beautiful, highly fragrant burning oil.